Are standing desks better for your health, or are they just as dangerous from a postural perspective? What they're saying now is sitting is the new smoking in terms of the health consequences. Hi, I'm Dr. Thom from Elmira Family Chiropractic, and today I wanted to cover a few simple strategies that can help you at your desk, specifically if you have a standing desk, or if not, if you're thinking about getting a standing desk. So first off, you want to have a chair that can either telescope up or down, that will allow you to basically change the height of where your seat is going to be at, or you should get like a stool height chair that will allow you to sit a little bit higher up at the standing desk. So for example, this chair right here, as you can see, it's a little bit higher than most chairs, the legs are longer. That will allow you to stand at your station, but then if you need to just plop your butt down for a second and rest, then you're able to do that too. You want to spend about half the time standing and half the time sitting. You don't want to do just one or just the other, because they're both beneficial in terms of taking pressure off the joints when you're sitting and also taking pressure off the joints again when you're standing. Now, you also want a desk that is suited for your height, so you want it basically where you're going to be not looking down too far at the screen. The screen should actually be down about on an angle of 10 degrees from where your eyes are looking. That's the ideal position where your eyes can be relaxed and reading. So this desk here is actually too low for me. The good thing is it does go higher, and that will allow me to bring that screen up. You could also set it on the hard drive like this, or bring it up with a couple books. And same thing with that keyboard, so that your elbows are at about 90 degrees. The other thing to think about too is having like a cushioning or a pad underneath your feet. So down here we have that soft padding. You can get these things at at Costco or whatever, just to decrease that pressure, because most floors, especially in office spaces, tend to be hard or on a cement base, and that will again take some of the pressure off the joints. The other thing to think about having is having a stool or like a little step block underneath your desk as well, so that you can use that to put one foot up on and pretend like you're walking or marching in the spot, which helps cyclically unload the joints and take some of the pressure off the ligaments, the muscles, the joints. And that's important for reducing that static strain that can happen when you're just standing there like a statue at your desk all day. For example, here you can see the stool, and then as you're working, you can pretend that you're walking and put your feet up and down on that step. To go back and answer my question from the beginning, are standing desks better for your health? Well, the answer is yes, but you also need to sit for part of the time as well, and you don't want to just stand in one static posture, because that's not good for your health either. So I hope you found this video and information useful. If you have any questions at all or any more tips, just leave them in the comment box below or send me a message. Have an awesome day.